Hi, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how to access the settings so you can automatically fold the mirrors when locking your car. So go to your menu button, make sure you got it on the mileage, and then just push your side button on the steering wheel, and then that brings up another little sub menu, and then you just want to scroll across to settings, and then go down to convenience, just using your keypad, and then push OK, and then brings up the menu there, so you can switch it. Just push the OK button, so when it's highlighted sort of orangey gold, that's when they're going to fold in, auto fold in when locking. So that's how to access the menu, and you can either switch it on or off. Okay, and then once you've select your preference, just come back out, return back to your normal menu, and then quick demonstration. Turn the car off, moment of truth, lock it, there you go. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe.